Hi guys, so we're getting close to getting wrapped up with this project. We just have two more tasks to do, so hang in there. This task number 7, barriers and mitigation, is a really important task when it comes to your NGO. Now that you have a board of directors, no matter how hard you try, the wheels at some point may come off. And you need to anticipate when that might happen with your program. So for this assignment, you're going to identify 3 potential barriers to implementing your program and include why that might be a barrier. And secondly, what are you going to do to overcome that barrier when it comes up? So this is an attempt to be proactive as a non-governmental organization. And so let's move into the activity directions here. So you're going to review the community and culture of the population you've selected. Develop a list of 3 possible barriers to the implementation of your project based on your review. And then the statement of the barriers you describe will need to include language as to why you believe that this will be a particular barrier to implementing your program. Secondly, you're going to provide suggested mitigation measures to overcome each of the identified barriers. So the task coordinators for this task are going to be responsible to create a table that includes everybody's barriers that was suggested and their mitigation measures. So the final table is going to be posted to the group page as well as the class page. So you watch this video on how to do it, and then you can go ahead and get started. Review our resources down here. We'll go through those. Develop your list of barriers. Upload them to your group site. And then return to Blackboard once again and upload them to Blackboard so that you get credit for your assignment, okay? So pretty simple, straightforward. You guys should be getting the hang of this now. So coordinators, for this task, you're going to develop a table that includes the barriers and the mitigation measures. Encourage your group members to complete their assignment by Tuesday, and then you're going to post your results by Thursday, okay? So after, I need to change this. Actually, I need to look back at the dates. Whatever it'll say in Blackboard are the due dates. So I believe it's Tuesday, Thursday, not this Monday. So I'll change that Monday. Task coordinators will be here once we get to this point. And then again, a Google site link for you guys. So review these resources. These are just some potential barriers, just some different articles on empowering employees. Good to look at and go through. And then some examples from previous students I have right here, which is really nice. Barriers and their mitigation proposals. Primary barrier may be language. So their mitigation strategy was to reach out to volunteers to help translate in a secondary language. Locations, cultural acceptance and commitment to educating females. Poverty, tuition and supplies are a mitigation strategy. So really good stuff here. Just make sure that you read through funding, location access, impacting of community. These shouldn't be too hard to come up with. And then once again, as usual, you'll go to your group Google site. You will go to the Pages tab. You're going to select task number 7, and then I have left in a previous student's example here for you folks. After you've done that, you'll go back to Blackboard and submit it. And then once everybody has posted into this group site, coordinators, you're going to grab all that information, put it into a table, and then jump over to the class site, find the appropriate task, and find the appropriate group. And that's where you will post it at. Okay? So if you guys have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Good job. Thank you.